What's up, everybody? It's your boy Black Devil right here, and you already know by the title that we gonna unbox something. I didn't tell you yet in the title, but I will in this video. So by the title, you already know that we unboxing something. But first off, we're gonna be joining with
Caleb's sister.
Yes. She wanted to do the unboxing video with me, so I let her. Okay. And I know you guys want to see what we are unboxing. Okay. Okay, no, first, oh no, I think you guys saw it a little bit. Why did I do that? Okay. So, yeah, you guys know that first, before you see this, or rewind when I accidentally put the unboxing in the video, before you do that and see what the unboxing is, you gotta comment down below that you subscribed and hit that notification on with the zero
And like the video.
And like the video. Yeah, say that you liked the video, subscribed, and turn on notifications. That'll be the world to me. And
wait.
Okay, now we are unboxing.
I'll be right back then.
Unboxing fidget spinner. Actually, I'm gonna put there's a fidget spinner. I'm gonna say what the surprise is in the video. No, in the title. Wait, no, because I just said that. Okay, yeah. We're unboxing a fidget spinner. I'm so hyped to unbox this. You already know if you see on my Musical.ly, what's it called? My Musical.ly? It's called, just put dragon, so I forgot mine for some reason. I don't really use my email. But yeah, we doing a fidget spinner, super spinner. Yeah, she has one too, sorry. So yeah, let's get right into it. These bearings, they said that super spin bearings, right? I don't know if it's backwards on the camera when you watch the video, but when I'm recording this right now, it's backwards. So I'm just gonna say that it says the super spin bearings. I don't believe it and believe it at the same time, so I just bought this one.
I don't believe it.
Let's rip this. Yes, it feels so good to unbox something like this. Woohoo! Here comes the beauty. Oh, here. Oh, they have some
looks so clean.
They have some dirty ones. Yeah, they have some dirty ones.
The bearings looks dirty, but looks.
Oh yeah, and I like that it's gray, like right here, because once you spin it, there's like gray right here, and then like blue around it. So that's what I
kind of want to see who's lasts longer.
I need to put alcohol on mine.
I already did, but I put the one for the alloys, if you know what I mean.
So yeah, if you and also if you wanna make your fidget spinner spin faster, then the only thing you gotta do is just put the cases off, and there should be a bearing inside. Yeah, there should be a bearing inside, and then you put this is loud. I especially need to put some.
That sounds like my other fidget spinner.
Look. Oh yeah, and this is what it looks like. It's shiny. Yeah, it's shiny.
That's mine.
Like this. Then there's some words on there.
Okay,
so yeah, it's shiny and it's blue. I was gonna get a red one like this, but I already have like basically a red fidget spinner. It's like an American flag one. It has more red, so I just wanted to get something new and blue.
I'm gonna try for the purple one, okay?
Ooh.
I'll try that.
Wait. So yeah, this is it. Okay, it's moving in the camera, but I can't see in real life. So yeah, this is my new fidget spinner. I mean, I guess the outside feels like plastic. My sisters really feel like plastic, but this one doesn't. And these, I know they make a lot of noise, but other than that, they're really cool. So yeah, I'm sorry if it makes so much noise. For some reason, it makes so much noise. But yes, sometimes it does that. So yeah, this is my new fidget spinner. Okay, wait.
Sorry, it took a while.
Okay, so I'm gonna do proof that you can put alcohol on your new fidget spinner, and I can prove that it spins longer. So look at the time. It's 6 minutes. It started. Okay. Now we're just gonna wait. Eat some oatmeal or get some. We need to use the restroom. Just saying. So you need to use the restroom. I mean, you have to. I mean, if you have to, then you have to.
Or take a shower.
Or yeah, you can take a shower, be in the bath. I mean, I'm just saying. I mean, those are options. I'm just saying. And also, you can just, comment down, subscribe, don't like, then turn on notifications. Just saying. And also, just like. I mean, that's all you gotta do. All you gotta do, simple as that. I'm gone. And then you see this, right? Like my fidget spinner. Once it goes to like just like the fidget spinner that's actually. I'll show you. So yeah, just gotta wait. Okay.
Looks
just
like it's slowing down.
I'm just waiting. I'm just saying. I'm just waiting.
Slowing down a little.
No, I'm just waiting. Yeah. So when it's like this, wait, no. Yeah. When it starts making this noise, I'm gonna stop it. So look, now it's 1 minute and 25 seconds.
Dang.
And 1 minute and 25 seconds. Let me just.
Kind of just like the song. Dang, Daniel.
Let me put these. Can you go give me a knife?
Yep.
So, I'm about to catch a body. I'm about to catch a body. Why did I randomly just start saying that? That's weird. Dang, why does this? Ow! I know I'm weak. Okay, dang. You don't have to spam it and comment or anything.
There you go.
Okay, that is a furious knife.
Daniel.
Okay, I'm gonna get rid of it. Wait, hang on. Hopefully I don't cut myself from showing you guys. Come on.
I bet they now, everyone that's watching this,
Wait.
you guys are maybe gonna want one now.
Ouch. Come on, where does this go? Out.
I know.
So yeah, this is.
If you get it out, then I can.
Hopefully I'm not bending the knife. Oh yeah, it's not bended. Thanks guys
It looks
for
like.
checking if it's not bended.
Try to.
Oh, I got it.
Try to get this at least to 90 views or likes or 90 subscribers. And
Oh, this is what it looks like. Bro, these kind of bearings make it really fast, trust me.
wait, can you put it back in just in case?
Hang on. So yeah, you see this, right? Sorry if I'm taking a long time on this video. Cleo keeping company.
Okay. So guys,
Okay, that's over. So I got rubbing alcohol. So you remember when it took 1 minute and 25 seconds? Oh, and this will Indeed, make your indeed. This will also make your fidget spinner spin quieter. Cause you know how loud my fidget spinner. You remember how loud it was, Kalia, in the audience?
Yes, I did. Yeah.
Then you just blow it. I'll put too much. So look, yeah, it's all wet. I don't know if you can see. Pause. Okay, so I'll put alcohol on it, right? Rubbing alcohol.
Some people maybe don't do the pause. Some do. Oh, it's subscribe to Mr. Swag in beast mode.
I woke up in beast mode. Why doesn't it fit?
I don't know. Maybe the wrong way.
Oh yeah.
Never know.
Oh yeah, you were right. You were right, Clea.
Yep.
So guys, remember it was 1 minute. Oopsie. So yeah, it was 1 minute and 25, right?
I kind of stabbed myself.
What the heck? Okay, I know I'm taking so long in this video. You guys can just skip it or not actually do it.
Oh yeah, skip it. Skip it, okay?
Okay, Clea. It's not. So look, look. Remember how loud it was? Look. Now it's not even that loud.
My.
And now we're gonna do a time. When it starts 12 minutes, then we're gonna do a time. Okay. No, when it starts 11:55. 3, 2, 1. I did not mean to do that. Okay, so the time is starting. The time is started. The time is started. The time is started. The time is started. Bro, that's not fair. I accidentally touched the fidget spinner. Now people are gonna think I'm a liar.
Guys,
But trust me, it works. Trust me, it works. And yo, so that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you just smash that like button, she needs to chill out. Shoot. And we're gonna end the video here. Hope you enjoyed the video.
bye!
If you did smash that, like button, smash that like button and comment if you subscribe, turn notifications on, and all that. And I'll see you in the next video.
Wait.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Rip headphones.
Bye.
Goodbye, brothers and sisters. That's my new outro.